Hello, guys. I'm Annie, and welcome back to our B1 English channel. We hope you are all doing well. Today's video is very important because this is the introduction to our 45 Days to Fluent English course. Before we start the daily lessons, we want to clearly explain what this course is and how it will help you.
Hi everyone, I am Biplove, and before we begin, we want to say sorry for being away for some time. We could not upload videos regularly because of some personal reasons, but now everything is managed, and from today we are fully back. Now we will upload consistently and guide you step by step.
We know that many of you are struggling with English. Some of you understand English but cannot speak. Some of you feel shy or nervous. Some of you don't know how to form correct sentences. So, if you are facing these problems, this course is exactly for you.
This is not just a random course. This is a properly designed 45-day plan. We will start from very basic level English, then slowly move to intermediate level, and finally we will reach advanced level English step by step.
In the beginning, you will learn basic sentences, simple daily English, how to introduce yourself, and how to speak without fear. This is your foundation stage.
After that, around the middle of the course, we will move into real conversations. You will practice speaking English in daily situations. You will learn how to respond naturally. And you will improve your fluency.
And in the final stage, you will reach advanced English level. At that point, you will be able to speak more confidently, understand faster, and express your ideas clearly.
This course will include speaking practice, listening practice, simple grammar, and real-life conversation examples. Everything will be practical and easy to follow.
For some days, Biplav will teach you, and for some days, I will also be teaching you. We may not always appear together because of our situation right now, but both of us will guide you throughout this course. But don't worry, guys. If we'll try our best to teach you guys together, we are working on it for now.
From tomorrow, we are starting day 1, so make sure you don't miss it. Start from day 1 and follow every lesson step by step.
And one more important thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. We will upload videos regularly from now on.
Also, share this video with your friends who are trying to learn English. Learning together makes it easier and more fun.
And don't forget to check our previous videos. We already uploaded beginner lessons, speaking practice, and slow English videos. They will also help you improve.
Like this video and comment below. Tell us your problems in English, what you want to learn, and what is difficult for you. We will try to improve every lesson based on your feedback.
Thank you for watching. We are very excited for this journey with you.
See you guys tomorrow in day 1. Stay consistent, stay confident, and we will grow together.